What's going on, you guys? If you're new to the channel, my name is Brad, and in this video we're going to be hopping into the Questrade platform, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough which will hopefully make it easier for you to navigate your way around without any confusion. So that being said, let's hop into the computer and get started. Okay, now that we're in the computer, I've already gone to questrade.com. I'll leave the link in the description to make it easier for you to get there, and I've already logged into my account. Now, once you log in, this is going to be the home page for you, and it's going to show you just what types of accounts you hold within your Questrade account. So for me, I just have a tax-free savings account, but you can hold multiple like an RRSP or a margin account if you want to do so. And if you want to do that, it's going to be the button right here where you can add a new account or just another account. Okay, and once it shows you all the different types of accounts you have, it'll give you a summary of what's in those accounts. So for mine, it shows the cash position, the market value of the securities, and the total equity of everything in the portfolio. And it'll give you a breakdown for each one of your different types of accounts if you have multiple. Now, up here at the top, it gives you a combined summary of all the different accounts that you have. So if I had multiple, it would just add everything up. But since I only have one, it shows just my cash, my market value, and the total equity. Now, over here, it shows the previous day's close unrealized profits. So if I was to have sold everything yesterday, it would have been positive $11,000, and in US, it would be just under 100. Okay, now let's just slide over here to the right where it shows some quick links to the most commonly used tabs that you might need. Okay, so if you need to fund your account, exchange funds, withdraw any funds, update your password, make sure a trade is confirmed, your account activity, and your investment summary. Now, if you need to change anything, you can go up to your account name and you can edit your profile, your settings, change your password, your address, anything like that. You can do that in here. Okay, now let's head up to the top header here. Now, there's the report section, which shows your investment summary, basically breaks down the percentages of your investments into a pie chart and shows you more exact figures. Then your investment return, how well is your portfolio doing? Is it positive or negative over time? The account activity, that breaks down what transactions have happened within your account. So if you've deposited money, withdrawn money, if you've made a trade, if you exited a trade, if you've got any dividends, or if you have referred a friend and gotten some kickback from Questrade. Okay, then statements, every month you get a statement on how well your investments are doing. Trade confirmations, pretty self-explanatory, and tax slips, that's primarily for any RRSPs or something along that lines where you're gonna get a tax deduction at the end of the year. If you have a tax-free savings account, this doesn't apply to you. Then over here at the account management, you can manage your account here, and you can upload any documents, find any forms that you need. If you want to refer a friend, they'll give you a code, and you can manage participants that are active inside of your account. So if you share an account with someone, you'll be able to manage how many people or kick someone out if you have to do that. Over here in the funding, you can go to your online banking and deposit money into your account that way. You can do Interact online, or you can even do pre-authorized deposits. Now, this is a good option if you just want to have money flow into your account every month. That way you don't have to do it manually. Now, you can transfer an account to Questrade. Say you have an account with your bank and it's not really doing you any good over there, so you can actually transfer your whole account over. Now, there's other funding methods if you want to dive into that, if none of these apply to you. Okay, then there's request sections. You can request to withdraw any funds. You can exercise any options. All right, so that pretty much sums up the home page that you're gonna come to once you log in. Now what we're gonna do, you can hop up to the Accounts tab here. Now there's different options, and there's market research ones, Learning Center, and other platforms now. These ones I don't really use ever, but if you want to go through them and click them on your own, feel free to do so. It's just more resources that Questrade offers. But the most common page you're going to want to use is your trading page. So we're going to hop into that one and I'll show you around. Okay, now that we're on the trading page, we'll just start at the header here. You see here it says that we're in the trading tab. And we're in the stock market, the stocks, the options, and the ETFs tab up here at the header. Now, if you want to do Forex and mutual funds and precious metals or any of these different types of investments, you might have to open a certain type of account in order to do that. However, for this video and for most of the people watching, you're probably only ever going to use this stocks, options, and ETFs tab. So this is the one I'm going to go through. Now, here it's going to show you your balance of your account, and it's going to give you just a more in-depth breakdown of what it showed on the previous page. So before it just showed all in Canadian dollars, this gives you a breakdown of Canadian, US, all in Canadian, all in US. And up here it shows your profit and losses, green profits, brackets, and red is your losses. So today when the market was down, and you can see down here your profits and losses for the day. So my whole portfolio is down 2.2%, and this is how much was down. Now over here is the positions. So if I clicked on this tab, it's going to show you all the positions that I hold within my portfolio. Now I'm not going to click on this tab to give away my positions right now. However, I will do a portfolio reveal once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So be sure to subscribe down below, and that way you won't miss on the reveal of the portfolio. Then over here you have your orders. So if you've made an order for a buy or a sell of a security, it's going to go into your order section. And once that order is complete or executed, it's going to go into the executions tab here. Now I haven't done either of these, so if I click on it, you're not going to see it. And then the activities is going to show you when you've logged in and out of your Questrade account via mobile or desktop. Now, if you want to do any stock lookup, you can click on this tab here, and it'll give you these are all the ones I've looked up recently, but you can look up any stocks or stock options in that tab here. Now, there's watch lists as well. So the default one will probably be the North America section. And you can see here, it's all pretty red today. It wasn't a good day for the market. But you're also able to make your own. So these are the ones that I've made. I'll just show you one, for example. This is kind of my big tech watch list, and you can see all of these are down significantly as well. And you can also be able to create multiple watch lists by just clicking this tab right here. Then we can go down to stocks, which is basically like the stock lookup. Okay, so right here I have Tesla. Currently it's in extended hours because the market just closed. Yeah, so if you want to look up any stocks, you can do it on this page here. This is the extended hour prices here. This is what it closed at for the general market, your bid price, your ask price. I'm not going to get too far into all of this because I'm going to make another video on how to buy and sell stocks and stock options. That way I kind of keep them separate and it's not too much information. Then options down here, like I said, I'm going to make a different video, but this is where you can buy calls or you can buy puts. Then there's a research tab as well where you can research any stocks that you like. So you can type in a symbol and it'll show you all the news, your earnings, any dividends they might play, or what have you. Now, I don't really use this one myself. However, it is an option if you need to. What I use is Yahoo Finance instead. I find that a little bit user-friendly. Then you have an alert tab here. Now, if you have a watch list, let's say like I had the FANG watch list for me, whenever any of the stocks within that watch list go down 5% or down 10%, I'm going to get email notification and it's going to let me know that this stock is dropping. And that kind of gives me an opportunity to go and buy the stock at a lower price instead of having to watch it over and over every single day. And we're just going to head over to the right over on this side right here where it says order entry. Now this is where you're going to buy any stock or sell any stocks. Okay, so this is just on a sliding tab here. What you can do is you can look up a stock that you're interested in buying. So let's say Tesla. We'll use that example again. This is where you can set yourself a limit order or your market order, whatever you want. And you can go ahead and buy however many shares, or you can sell however many shares. Now, like I said earlier, I'm not going to go into depth on how to buy and sell stocks in this video because I just want to keep it separate and kind of keep this as just a navigation video. Okay, but if you want to see my video on how to buy and sell stocks using the Questrade platform, be sure to subscribe down below, and you'll get a notification when that video comes out. Okay, let's head back to the account tab. Now this page is going to be the one that you use the most frequently. You're going to pretty much be on this page or in your positions or in the stock lookup page. Now everything else, it is good to know where they are, and I'm going to recommend that you go ahead and click around on all the different tabs just so you get an idea of what is in them, and you're not going to hurt anything by just clicking around. Just be careful not to hit the buy or the sell button, because if you do that, then you're going to be getting into some trades that you might not want to. Now that's pretty much the basics on how to navigate your way around Questrade, so let's hop out of the computer and finish up the video. Okay, now that pretty much sums up everything you're going to need to know about the Questrade platform. And hopefully moving forward, you're going to be able to navigate your way around a little bit easier. Now, like I said in the video, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a portfolio reveal and share which positions I'm holding within my Questrade account. So be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss that. Also, if this video was helpful for you in any way, hit that thumbs up button. That lets me know this wasn't a waste of time. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.